Fat and Loud. I'm Waylon, and today we're going to be installing the Rock Solid Motorsports tubular front end on the 99 Trans Am build. So like the kit says, once you get your fenders and your bumper off, you're gonna pull your harness and everything out of the front end of the car here, and then you're gonna grab your Sharpie and mark where it says do A, B, C, D, and E, which follow lines in the chassis that are already there. And they've made the kits to fully cover all that up.
No going back.
Probably gonna cut it sideways too, and it's not gonna fit with it.
Almost got a video of you cutting your leg off.
Got the balance in it though. Oh, it's magic. Over this. It's gonna be this side. This is this. So see how they cut these plates out? Look at that. How cool is that? It literally just lines with it.
That's pretty cool.
I just want to get. Tyler, it's gonna be crooked no matter what. You saw me cut it. Yeah, we'll blame the lines are spot on. Go fuck yourself. I'm gonna blame the line judge too. Oh, that looks nice. Okay, and we can push on it and still turn it however we need to make it work, but it's got a nice tack on it. We do all the welding in-house because we're not certified or qualified to do it. Hey, look, we're already looking good, boys.
On that side.
Shut the fuck up.
That actually did look pretty good.
I know. So we're gonna go up top here.
What'd you do that for?
Just bumped it. It's holding on by a thread. That's because it's in pop metal. Do that.
You're good at blowing.
For sure. Somebody's got to be. It's supposed to be Tyler's job. I can't do it. Never figured it out.
You do pretty good.
First time on camera.
This does not look like a tack anymore.
Well, it blew a little hole, so. Cool part is the Hobart fills welds. It's like a little dream. I love this little thing.
Then why'd you buy a new one?
The TIG. I bought the TIG setup to do the charge pipe and everything, so we can do it all in-house, uncertified and qualified. Just like that, and I'll make it up here what I want.
Tyler, really good at holding this pipe.
It's a lot thicker than your normal, Waylon. You must use the pump.
That's why I bought it, baby.
Did you just admit on camera you use a penis pump?
Correct. Sometimes twice a day. Makes me large and in charge.
That's certified and unqualified.
Correct. Hopefully that hangs on a little bit.
I would get more.
I'm definitely gonna do more on this side over here. Put a little love in your heart.
Very copyright strike because of your singing.
For sure, right? That's fine. We're just tacking in, pulling in, make it right. Right as we can. Because we're uncertified and qualified. We'll pull up and out on it later to make it work.
I don't pull out.
We know. Hey, bogging.
Yeah, it does not like that.
Alright, let it go. She should be square. She'll hold on for a second.
There's a lot of gap there, bud.
Oh, I feel you. Listen, I'm gonna take the front end and I'm gonna cut a triangle out and lay it in, weld it back in. I'm gonna cut out a wedge, shove it back in here, and weld it back on. But this just needs to give me the idea of where we're going. I think it's still gonna have to come this way a bunch, and then it's gonna have to come down to meet it. That's okay.
Put another tack on that.
For sure, I'm gonna do it on the bottom so that it can still swing.
Waylon does like swinging. Are you gonna do it or no?
Actually taken, that was the cool part. That sturdied it up a lot. I pull this up and get over top of it. See, that's gonna be nice. And just hold it in place. I should be able to tack right there, no problem.
I got you.
I got it. No sir.
Tack your foot to it?
I'm gonna do the outsides last. I want to set the center bar before I
How far
set.
in they go?
Actually, that's not bad. The center bar is like the spreader, and I think it's supposed to line up right there. I'll grab the instructions and look real quick. Go ahead and flip the roller down. They might double chunk spring on this.
No, but that's going in.
I dropped it. So yeah, so it's wanting the spreader bar in line with the two outsides. So that makes sense.
I can't believe that there's no measurements.
Right, look. Not doing it.
What's the problem? It's a
What
Camaro.
are you doing? Yeah, it's the universal kit. I selected this for transient, but look. Cut. Make cuts. Okay, so now after assembly removing, blah, 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 once sanded, use a wire brush to hit the patches. Oh, wait a minute. Position. Bam.
So does it say, are there measurements?
No,
What did that say then?
not what I thought it did.
What did it say?
I not what I thought it did.
We'll go back and let me see what it says.
No thanks. We're just gonna keep going. Let's do those drops like look like the pros do. You know what I mean? Get the gloves on. All right, let's get it. That's a little aggressive. It'll work.
Not even hardly touching it.
What?
Please with Harlan. They don't show this shit.
Oh,
They
yeah.
just say,
Because you
so
know.
last night we did this. And
Listen, I would love to take a look at the cage on Leroy or anything and tell you if any of those bars are straight. Because he didn't have a dash bar for the longest time, and they made him put that footwell bar in. And they call that his dash bar for his person.
I got certified.
That footwell bar, they just wanted the bar in front of the driver.
Right.
That's all they wanted, which I get. But I'd love to take a look at some other chassis. If you purchase the additional tube hoop, position it as needed forward of the fender tube junction, square it and weld it in place. Now this is going to be our bumper holding. I think it's going to be our upper hoop for our bumper holder. So it's literally got zero information about measuring. If you purchase the additional tube hoop, position it as needed forward of the fender junction,
you
square it and weld it in
purchase the
place.
additional tube hoop?
Yes, that's right there.
Sure did.
Looks legit to me.
Weld it.
Goddamn bull bar, boys.
There you go.
Hey, got that bumper. What's up? You gotta work.
Yeah.
I mean, gives us more room for the radiator, you know?
So where are you gonna weld that?
No idea. Call what I just say. I'm gonna put it in here like a bumper. Actually, that tells me those are really straight though, you know? Because look, I mean, it doesn't even require any pushing. So those are square. That's how you become uncertified and unqualified. So it won't square itself, but
Fuck, that was off.
crusty guys.
Crusty rusty.
Just need to eyeball the doohickey a smidge. Like beat it on there.
See, send it. Let's go.
Zerp. You wanna grab the? No, can't.
All right.
We don't have any fenders on the car. We can't fucking. I'm pretty sure this is our bump. This is our upper bumper hoop. Let me go back through our instructions one more time. All right, so it's getting real late. It's about 9:30 tonight. Everybody's got to work tomorrow, and we got as far as I wanted to tonight. Tomorrow we're gonna go pick up a new cord for the welder. We need a 220 extension cord because welding on 110, giving us a little fuss. It's not looking as good as it should, but overall I'm happy with the way the kit comes out and the way the kit goes on the car. You just have to tune in next week and see what we get done. I'm Waylon, and this is Fat and Loud.
If you like what you saw in this video,
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Follow us on Facebook and Instagram.
And we'll see you next time.